Do you know this road sign? Think fast. Correct, it's Harping Curve. Welcome to Driver Quiz. 45 road sign. Let's see how many you know. Question number 1. What does this road sign mean? A. Y intersection. B. Side road. C. Crossroad. The correct answer is Y intersection. Question 2. Which sign is shown in the image? A. Loose gravel. B. Uneven surface. C. Bump. Here's the right answer. Loose gravel. Question 3. What is the name of this sign? A. Airport. B. Gas station. C. Camping area. And the answer is gas station. Question 4. This warning sign means A. Added lane left. B. Left lane ends. C. Right lane ends. Let's check it out. Left lane ends. Question 5. Which traffic sign is this? A. Animal crossing. B. Cattle crossing. C. Farm machinery. Correct. It's the animal crossing sign. Question 6. What does this warning sign indicate? A. Cross traffic ahead. B. Hidden driveway. C. Crosswinds. You got it. It's the crosswinds sign. Question 7. Identify this guide sign. A. Scenic area. B. Airport. C. Route marker. That's right. It's the airport sign. Question 8. What is the correct name of this sign? A. Low ground clearance railroad crossing. B. Truck escape ramp. C. Pavement ends. This one means low ground clearance railroad crossing. Question 9. Which road sign is shown here? A. Added lane left. B. Lane ends merge right. C. Added lane right. The correct answer is added lane right. Question 10. What does this sign mean? A. School bus stop ahead. B. Traffic signal ahead. C. Cross traffic ahead. Here's the right answer. School bus stop ahead. Question 11. What is the name of this warning sign? A. Hairpin curve. B. Reverse turn. C. Y intersection. And the answer is reverse turn. Question 12. This sign warns drivers about A. Animal crossing. B. Farm machinery. C. Cattle crossing. Let's check it out. Cattle crossing. Question 13. Which sign is this? A. Center lane only. B. Route marker. C. One lane bridge. Correct. It's the route marker sign. Question 14. What does this warning sign indicate? A. Crossroad. B. Side road. C. Merge. You got it. It's the merge sign. Question 15. What is the correct name of this sign? A. Center lane only. B. No straight through. C. Added lane left. That's right. It's the center lane only sign. Question 16. Identify this sign. A. Camping area. B. Trailer camping. C. Gas station. This one is trailer camping. Question 17. This road sign means A. Loose gravel. B. Uneven surface. C. Low shoulder. The correct answer is uneven surface. Question 18. Which sign is shown in the image? A. No straight through. B. No left or U-turn. C. Road closed ahead. Here's the right answer. No left or U-turn. Question 19. What does this sign mean? A. Pavement ends. B. Low shoulder. C. Shoulder drop off. And the answer is pavement ends. Question 20. What is the name of this sign? A. Farm machinery. B. Horse-drawn vehicle. C. Golf cart crossing. Let's check it out. Horse-drawn vehicle. Question 21. This advisory sign tells drivers A. Advisory exit speed. B. Route marker. C. Truck rollover. Correct. It's the advisory exit speed sign. Question 22. Which traffic sign is this? A. Crossroad. B. Side road. C. Offset side road. You got it. It's the side road sign. Question 23. What type of situation is this road feature mainly designed for? Correct. It is brake failure on steep slopes. Question 24. Identify this guide sign. A. Camping area. B. Airport. C. Scenic area. This one means camping area. Question 25. What is the correct name of this sign? A. Right lane ends. B. Added lane right. C. Lane ends merge right. The correct answer is right lane ends. Question 26. This warning sign means A. Traffic signal ahead. B. Roundabout ahead. C. Side road. Here's the right answer. Roundabout ahead. Question 27. Which sign is shown here? A. Low shoulder. B. Shoulder drop off. C. Soft shoulder. And the answer is shoulder drop off. Question 28. What does this sign mean? A. Golf cart crossing. B. Horse-drawn vehicle. C. Animal crossing. Let's check it out. Golf cart crossing. Question 29. What is the name of this warning sign? A. One-lane bridge. B. Truck rollover. C. Narrow bridge. Correct. It's the narrow bridge sign. Enjoying the quiz? Subscribe. New signs every week. Question 30. This road sign warns about A. Farm machinery. B. Cattle crossing. C. Golf cart crossing. You got it. It's the farm machinery sign. Question 31. Which sign is this? A. Center lane only. B. Added lane left. C. Left lane ends. That's right. It's the added lane left sign. Question 32. What does this warning sign indicate? A. Cross traffic ahead. B. School bus stop ahead. C. Traffic signal ahead. This one means traffic signal ahead. Question 33. What is the correct name of this sign? A. Side road. B. Crossroad. C. Offset side road. The correct answer is offset side road. Question 34. Identify this road sign. A. Uneven surface. B. Low shoulder. C. Bump. Here's the right answer. Bump. Question 35. This sign means A. One direction large arrow. B. T intersection. C. Two direction large arrow. And the answer is two direction large arrow. Question 36. Which sign is shown in the image? A. Dead end. B. Do not enter. C. No straight through. Let's check it out. Do not enter. Question 37. What driving condition does this sign warn about? A. A steep downgrade ahead. B. A drop-off beside the pavement. C. Loose gravel on the road. A drop-off beside the pavement. Question 38. What is the name of this sign? A. Reverse turn. B. Hairpin curve. C. Y intersection. You got it. It's the hairpin curve sign. Question 39. Which traffic sign is this? A. Center lane only. B. No left or U-turn. C. No straight through. That's right, it's the no straight through sign. Question 40. This sign tells drivers A. Yield ahead. B. Stop ahead. C. Traffic signal ahead. This one means yield ahead. Question 41. What does this road sign mean? A. Crossroad. B. T intersection. C. Side road. The correct answer is crossroad. Question 42. Identify this warning sign. A. Y intersection. B. T intersection. C. Side road. Here's the right answer. T intersection. Question 43. What is the correct name of this sign? A. Two-direction large arrow. B. Route marker. C. One-direction large arrow. And the answer is one-direction large arrow. Question 44. This warning sign indicates A. Narrow bridge. B. Truck escape ramp. C. Truck rollover. Let's check it out. Truck rollover. Question 45. What is the safest action when another vehicle is on the bridge? The correct answer is wait before entering the bridge. Ready for another challenge? Tap the next video and keep practicing your road signs. Thanks for watching Driver Quiz. See you in the next video.